Morning, everyone. I am Sue Ellen, your coach and founder of Virtually Made here in the Philippines. I help aspiring and assisting virtual assistant to reach their goal and full potential with faith and passion. Ayan. So wag na nating patagalin tong free webinar na to. I will now share my screen. Okay. There you go. So how to become a virtual assistant? Ayan, ito yung i-discuss natin ngayon kasi maraming naging attendees dun sa free weekly training natin na puro newbies talaga or wala pang idea on how to be a virtual assistant. So this is a work from home opportunity. So dito nyo malalaman if fit ba kayo sa pagiging virtual assistant. So our mission is to provide aspiring virtual assistants with the resources, confidence, and support they need to succeed sa inyong virtual assistant businesses. So yung vision namin, maka-create ng supportive and collaborative community. I am giving back all the glory to the Lord. That's why andito sa Virtually Made to pay forward by God's grace ng mga tao rin ginamit niya sa akin na i-introduce itong virtual assistant career nito. So our topics will be my virtual assistant's journey, what is virtual assistant, yung common struggles ng no experience as a virtual assistant, online job and requirements, tips on where and how to apply. Ayan, yung mga interview sites and work trials. So reminder lang, itong work na to or career na to, this is not for you if you don't feel ready. Pag hindi ka ready, hindi ito para sa'yo talaga. Wala kang time to study and finish the task for free or paid courses. Kailangan masyaga kang manood ng mga either live or recorded videos, training videos if you want to really to become a virtual assistant. Gusto mo ng easy job. So, pag tinake mo ng seriously, medyo madali na siya. Pero no, kapag hindi mo gusto na lagi ka nag-aaral kasi dito sa virtual assistant career, it is a daily, continuous learning rather. So if you expect to make a lot of money right away, this is not for you. So hindi ganun kadali kumita or mag-earn ng money, lalo na kapag gusto mong kumita ng 6-digit. So hindi ito agad-agad na parang instant money, something like that. That's too good to be true, okay? Kung may mga coach na nagsasabi na you can earn agad 6-digit, it's too good to be true. And if you're not dedicated, so this is not for you. So again, I'm Sue Ellen Palomares. I'm the founder of Virtually Made, as I've mentioned kanina. So I work for or as a financial advisor, coach in the United States, which is I have collaboration with them right now with Rob Sousa, the CEO of Advisor Marketing Hub. It's a digital marketing agency with I've handled over 10 financial advisors in different countries. I started as general VA and then na-promote ako, I think, after 6 weeks or 8 weeks as a project lead. And then I got promoted again by God's grace, really, as a project manager. And now I am the director of BA services of Advisor Marketing Hub. So praise God. Before, I worked sa Corpo as a sales department head and also a customer service department head. So ayan yung journey ko as a department head. I also work as a host. And graduation ko ng college. I'm an associate graduate of hotel and restaurant management. What I love about this job, I have more time for my family, serving God also, na hindi nakakompromise yung oras ko. So let's continue. Ayan. So experience versus earning salary, maniniwala ba kayo na I am a department head, pero yung daily rate ko is wala pang 400 pesos. So, ayan, nagtitiwala lang ako everyday sa Lord. But etong experience ko na to, ang nakatulong sa akin by God's grace para makapasok sa virtual assistant career. Kasi ang work ko dito is in operations department, which is I handled selling area. But aside from that, I am also a back office or admin, doing reports, and then dyan ako talaga nahasa mag-computer. After that, nag-resign ako kasi nakakuha ko ng job because I really want a work from home setup job. So ayan na, natanggap ako. First na nag-apply ako nun sa call center is hindi ako natanggap when I was 18 years old kasi I'm not that prepared. Napakahalaga po mag-a-apply kayo, prepare kayo. Pero syempre, ibang webinar or ibang topic na yan. So, soon guys, itatakal natin yung topic na yan. So, yan, natanggap ako. Then, syempre, ako ay masayang-masaya kasi medyo malayo yung salary niya or compensation niya. Look, guys, wala pang 400 ako daily doon sa pinanggalingan ko. Pero, check this one. Nagiging 400 plus lang siya kasi may allowance akong 30 pesos per day. So, ganun siya. Kaya lang, nung nag-message sila sa akin, medyo nalungkot ako sa telco inbound sales. Ayan. So, dun nila kayo ilalagay eh. Depende yan sa experience nyo. Kasi, ayan, start ng July 2 daw, on-site work arrangement na siya. So, alam nyo ba, by God's grace, nagtiwala lang ako kay Lord na alam kong walang mahirap para sa Kanya. Yan yung team song ko ng pandemic sa Lord eh. Walang mahirap sa'yo. Jeremiah 30:27. Hindi ko tinanggap yung offer. And by faith, wala akong work, nag-start ako mag-aral kung paano maging virtual assistant. And yes, magtsatsaga ka po talaga umattend sa mga free trainings, free webinar kapag wala pa kayong budget. And aside from that, ayan, yung mga free certificate. Ayan, thank you kay Mommy MK Bertulfo. And of course, Camille Alejos is Camille for, introducing me this industry. Ayan, so marami ako naging free certificate, paid and free trainings yan. So investment versus ROI. So, ayan, as I've said, na-hire ako sa Advisor Marketing Hub. Praise God. So, iba pa yung project manager namin noon. By God's grace, napakabait din nung in-interview niya ako. So, what is a virtual assistant, no? Ito yung professional who provides administrative or technical or creative assistance to client remotely. Depende yan sa magiging niche ninyo or expertise ninyo, no? You will provide services for them. So, ako, nagsimula ako as general VA, so halos lahat to ginagawa ko before. Social media accounts, researching information, creating presentation, etc. Ayan. So, naging popular siya, no? Lately, or naging hype ang virtual assistant. So, sa madaling explanation, guys, let's check. Sa madaling explanation, di ba meron tayo sa office na executive assistant or secretary? Ginawa lang siyang virtual assistant or remote. So, ganun din. Ikaw yung magre-remind kay client mo, yung sa schedule niya and all. Okay? So, based sa Randew Research, diba? Yung compound annual growth rate daw is 22.2% from 2020 to 2027. So, nasa 2024 pa lang tayo. This is according to their research, okay? So, maganda-ganda pa yung growth niya. Kaya may chance pa tayo. May chance pa kayo. Praise God. So what is your struggle as a newbie and no experience? By the way, this is a pre-recorded and we are posting it live. So I am monitoring your comments and questions. You can interact or engage. Any questions that you want ng sagot, sasagutin natin yan. Okay? So eto na yung mga common struggles na tinatawag ng no experience virtual assistant. Of course, finding enough work or client, establish yourself as a reliable virtual assistant. Napakahirap niyan. Difficulty of learning necessary skills, providing quality service. Yan. Struggle mo pag gusto mo agad mag-earn ng 6-digit. And also, hindi ako ang coach para doon. Ako ay coach because like what I've said, I have faith in the Lord. So more on faith and family tayo, like ng core values ni AMH. That's why talagang tumagal ako doon, praise God. So they take specialization courses and get overwhelmed. Nag-stop na sila. At nag-end up yung iba ng fake it till you make it, ito yung wag na wag niyong gagawin Ako naging honest ako kung ano lang yung kaya at alam ko. Pag hindi nyo alam, sabihin nyo agad. Why? Because if you fake it till you make it, at kumuha kayo ng portfolio ng iba, because tapos pinagawa sa inyo at hindi nyo alam gawin, you will fail to deliver good output because you faked it. 'Di ba? Pag pinagawa sa inyo, ang layo dun sa binigay ninyong sample. So makikita agad kayo. So what we sow, we will reap, guys. Kaya first pa lang maging honest na kayo. Pero dito sa industry na to, kailangan talaga mas madalas na mag-self-paced learning ka. Okay? Meron tayong mga types of clients. Direct client, multiple client, and agency. So sa akin, direct client ako, of course. And then sa mga freelancers, multiple clients. So ibang topics ulit ito. Unti-unti natin yan i-deep na paliwanag sa mga other contents natin. And then agency. So dito na papasok yung mga hinahandle namin na VAs. Yan, praise God. So, red flags. Sa online job, maraming red flags. Kaya mag-iingat tayo. Ano ba yung mga sign na red flags? Number 1, sensitive or personal information nyo kinukuha. So, pag online job ka, depende na lang yan kung hard ka na talaga at napatunayan mong legit yan. So, pwede na to. Like bank accounts mo, uses personal email. Kailangan yung email is hindi siya works at mga something like madalas kong nababasa, mga Krusty Krab or something like that. What else? Yung mga fake identity, marami na kasing AI photos na nagagamit. So, i-check nyo maigi. Number 4, etong pinaka. Pag mag-virtual assistant kayo, kayo yung babayaran. Never na never kayong maglalabas ng kahit magkanong pera. Except kung mag-enroll kayo sa paid training. Pero kung sa client nyo, sasabihin para mapadalan kita, you need to pay for this, you need to pay for your ID, you need to pay for tax, that is a red flag. Okay? Too good to be true. Sobrang taas ng salary. Zero experience ka, tapos inaalo ka na agad ng $2,000 per month or $1,000 per month. So this is too good to be true. Diba? Yan, kagaya ng sinabi ko. Yun, number 6, same yun. So working schedule natin, we have full-time. Yan yung with timer. Ito minsan ginagamit si Time Doctor. This is only sample, so photo not mine. Part-time with timer, fixed or flexible hours without timer. So ito yung na-experience ko na ngayon, praise God. Micromanage, meron din yan. So mag-work kayo with camera on via Zoom, kaharap si client or kausap si client. As much as possible, pass tayo sa number 4, kung kaya. Okay? Salary or payment, meron tayong tinatawag na per project, per hour, weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. Sometimes through GCash, Western Union, PayPal, Payoneer, Wise. Kung saan kayo mas komportable at si client, then go. Benefits of working from home. Pinaka-blessing sa akin ni Lord yung hindi naka-compromise yung weekends ko. Ayan, so nakakapag-serve ako Saturday and Sunday, and minsan pag kailangan ng weekends, nakakapunta ako ng church, praise God. So good salary, before, starting rate natin is $4 to $5 per hour, but sometimes, wag na kayong kukuha ng mas mababa pa dito kasi 2024 na, hindi na kaya ng $2 to $3 per hour yan. At kapag nag-upskill kayo, of course, pwede nyo ma-experience si $10 to $15 per hour. So, you can work anywhere you want. Ayan, so nakikita nyo naman, kahit outside of the country ka, nakabakasyon ka, you can work on vacation. Depende yan sa settlement nyo ni client nyo. So, sa case ko kasi, pag nagbabakasyon kami, na-handle ko naman, praise God, ng maayos at nakakapag-work pa rin ako. Pero hindi as in super full-time. Pasundot-sundot na work lang yan. And pinapayagan niya ni client kasi since we don't have time tracker, as long as matapos ko lahat ng projects, matapos ko lahat ng task, goods yan. Okay? So ayan, unti-unti nakabili tayo ng eto yung isa sa mga investment kasi na kailangan niyo, nakikita niyo nagwo-work ako diyan yung anak ko. So ayan, iwas back pain tayo. Medyo, sa part na 'to nahirapan ako nung una kasi nagtiyaga ako 3 months monoblock. Medyo may mga back pain na tayo ngayon. Yung mga insurance na hindi natin na-a-afford before, praise God na-afford natin. Ayan, so na-e-enjoy na natin yung time with family. This is all by God's grace, by the way. Talagang yung prayer ko dininig ni Lord. Ayan. So, that's why I am coach with faith and passion. Hindi ito sa sarili ko lang nakakayahan. This is all by the grace and favor of God. Ayan. So, what are the requirements? Ito yung importante. So, fully functioning dapat yung desktop or laptop nyo. By the way, na-research ko lang to. This is not mine, but of course, sa experience ko, bumili muna ako ng AMD equivalent. Nakita nyo, desktop yung una kong gamit. Then after that, nag-invest na ako sa iCore 5 na laptop. I'm using Acer, guys. Sobrang tibay ng Acer. Subok ko na yan. USB and headset, depende to sa client nyo. Ako, I'm using a speaker. Ayoko nang palagi naka-headset. So, depende yan sa posisyon na makukuha nyo sa work nyo. Of course, internet service, webcam, kailangan din yan. Kailangan naka-on cam tayo palagi. Okay? 2 types of skills. Soft skills and hard skills. May mga guides din ako na binibigay dito. So, type nyo lang if you want this guide para malaman nyo ano ba pinagkaiba ng soft skills and hard skills. Yung soft skills, of course, ito yung mga personality and traits nyo. Yung hard skills nyo, yan yung mga technical knowledge na or yung may mga training na tayo. Pero I have a guide to this. So type, I want a soft and hard skills or 2 types of skills guide, and then I will send it to you guys. Other requirements, ito yung mga admin tools, communication tools na ginagamit natin. So, alam ko na familiar na kayo with Google Workspace and communication tools. We are using Zoom, WhatsApp, some of virtual assistant and clients using Skype. So, depende. Tips on where and how to apply. So, ito lang yung mga tips ko sa inyo sa LinkedIn, sa online job. But right now, I have website where you can access and we curated for you guys the top agencies and companies na tumatanggap ng mga newbies or existing virtual assistant na mga naghahanap pa ng ibang job opportunities. So, ready na ba kayo maging virtual assistant? Of course, maraming tanong. Do you know the step-by-step on how to be a virtual assistant? So, that's why I'm here. So, we have a good news. We have a free weekly training session para sa mga existing virtual assistant. Pero kung ako sa inyo, kahit newbie kayo, umattend pa rin kayo kasi my experience nyo, yung US client talaga yung nagtuturo, which is Rob Souza. So, we've created yung website for you guys. So, coach, wala pa po akong skill at niche. Paano po pag hinanapan ako ng portfolio? Paano pag tinanong yung skills ko? So, unti-unti, itatakal natin yan for free dito sa Virtually Made. At sundan nyo lang. So, coach, may question pa. Need po ba ng college or graduate or with degree? Guys, yung iba, hindi nakapag-college. Pasok sila dito as long as you can communicate in English o ibang topic na naman yan, i-discuss natin yan. Okay, the answer is no. Of course, if you're single, married, single mom, or single dad, student, senior citizen, pwede po. As long as capable tayo at willing tayo mag-aral. Okay? Sample of virtual assistant VA services, general administrative work, content research, customer support, data entry, social media management. So investing in wisdom and knowledge and education is smartest investment you can make for your future. So dito sa kinatatayuan natin. Sa lupa, kumbaga, yan. Kasama yan kasama to sa buhay, no? So, good day po. Ayan na. So, I availed, of course, if gusto nyong pasukin yung industry. Kasama minsan talaga yan na kailangan natin ng paid trainings kasi hindi naman lahat sa free tutorials is makukuha natin. Ayan. So, ilan to? Nakailang courses din ako kasi gusto ko talagang matuto. So, some of the aspiring virtual assistant taking masterclass for experts na and specialists na. Kasi ino-offer na siya ng very low price. Pero if you skip the basic steps, ma-overwhelm ka lang. Hindi mo na siya susundan, di ba? So, these are the feedback coming from my students before. Ayan. So, meron din akong student na na-hired. $5 per hour. So, nag-enroll siya sa akin as elite student. But for newbies, I am not offering paid courses. Kasi pinamimigay na namin ito ng free by giving back glory to the Lord and to the community. Kagaya ng sinabi ko kanina. No, all for free na ito para sa mga newbies. So, lahat na na-experience ng students ko, nasa recorded videos yan. Self-paced learning tayo. And of course, ka-follow nyo kami sa Facebook and sa TikTok, which is Virtually Made. If you want to join in our community, Virtually Made Aspiring VA community, we have also subscribe on our YouTube channel. It's Virtually Made also. I updated this one already sa YouTube. So thank you. We're rooting for you. To God be all the glory. And I will show you our website. Okay, I will stop share my screen again. Okay. I will give you a quick tour. Ayan. And kung makikita nyo, no, it is God who arms me with strength and makes my way perfect. Okay, medyo ganito talaga pag live, na wala yung mga nasa screen natin. Okay, here it is. I'll now share my screen again. Okay. So this is the website that I'm talking about. So visit our website is virtuallymate.org. Visit niyo yan. Nandito yung mga recorded namin for weekly training, yung services namin, free and paid nandyan. Yung team namin, yung resource center, free courses. So sa resource center, ito yung makikita nyo. Andyan yung mga free learning guides, helpful tools na kailangan nyo pag mag-uumpisa kayo sa virtual assistant, and top agencies and companies na ma-access nyo agad-agad. Ayan. See? So, sana may natutunan kayo. Thank you so much. Mag-wrap up na tayo and see you again on the next live or tutorial videos na i-upload natin in all platforms. So, again, this is Coach Sue Ellen. Thank you and God bless you all.